Here are my top 5 ESL writing activities for all levels. Number 1 is round robin story. So you can either do this with each student starting with a piece of paper, and then they can write the first sentence of a story. They pass their paper to the next person, they add a sentence, the next person adds a sentence, etc. until you have a completed story. Or you can do it in a little bit more teacher-centered way for lower level students, where students just kind of shout out ideas, words, etc. and you can write the story together on the board. The second idea I have is for a writing prompt. So this is really nice for writing a story. So give students a story idea or a story starter and they can finish it. The next idea I have is free writing time. So this works slightly better for like kind of intermediate or advanced students. When I taught academic writing in Korea, I would have about 10 minutes at the beginning of each class as free writing time. So I would give students a topic to write about and they would have to write in their journals about that. And the key was that their pens never stopped moving. So I would say, if you don't know what to write, write, I don't know what to write, I don't know what to write, and then something will come to you. The other key is to not use a dictionary or cell phone dictionary, cell phone, etc., because you want to work on writing fluency. All right, the next idea I have is poetry. So even kind of high beginners or intermediate level students can write some simple poetry. So show students some simple examples, give them the rules, and then you can get to work. And the final idea I have is picture prompt. So put up a picture onto the PowerPoint with lots of things happening, and then students can write sentences like there is a man, or the boy is playing soccer. That's very simple. Or they could use this picture up there to kind of do a more creative story for higher level students. Okay, so those are my top 5 ESL writing activities for all levels. If you like these ideas, please be sure to check out my book, ESL Writing Games, Activities, and Teaching Tips. And please leave a comment and let me know your favorite ESL writing activity. Okay, catch you next time.